Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, today I'm going to show you about common code coding. So this is the website. You go to commoncoding.com. Click. Hey guys. So if you have clicked the common coding, it will be not take a long time. I don't know why. Oh no. Okay. Then you click. Okay. Click try it. Okay. For that, this is my project. Oh wait. So this is my project that I have made. So and then I will go to file, new. Okay. Okay, that the UI is like a scratch, but that's not scratch. Okay. So here you go to extension, add extension, scroll. You need a fast API and teachable machines. Look at that. You need to this. And because I have the teach nah, look at that. Teach, teachable machine, because I have the teachable machine. And I don't need to add it again. Nah. Okay. So first you drag when green flag clicked. Okay. And then you need sprite, right? You need sprite emoji. You need five or four emoji. That is I don't know what is that. First is smiling face, angry, angry, sad, shock, and I don't know how to say. Okay, first you take this one, and then you go to costume. You add it all. Face, then shock, and then cry. That it's mean, and then angry, and then smiling face. Okay, and then you change to convert to vector, convert to vector, convert to vector. Okay, done. Then first you take one green flag ticket. I put here. Kan nggak flicker. You go to here. You go to Fast API. Okay. Oh wait, yes. Okay, done. So you go to event. Or do you go to Fast API first? Fast detect on control forever. Take forever. Then you go to you take uh, more than. Okay, take more than. Take this one. Nah, then you take if. Okay. Eh, if okay, right? Okay, you put here. Now, so because we'll change to natural first. Natural. Okay. So this is natural. So I will change to natural. Or natural. Oh, it's mean switch custom, the custom we change to natural. First emoji. Wait. Huh? Okay, this is natural. Change. We change. Mm. Okay, and then the second. No, no, no. Natural, and then we change to happy. First happy. Happy. It means smiling face. Okay. First happy. Smiling face. Okay. And then duplicate again. Oh wait, sorry. And then we'll change to sad. Reset. Angry. Yes, angry. Angry. Is that sad? No. And then the last is shock. Oh, sorry. Surprise and then shock. We change to shock. Oh wait, to shock. So here the point, the value change to 1.5. Okay. One. Okay. 0.5. 0.5. Hey, wait. Sorry. 0.5. Okay, here. Maybe you can play. You can try it. Wait, guys. I think it's still loading. What's wrong? Okay, guys. It can't working. Maybe because I record, so here it's not detect. So the main is if you smile, the logo, this logo, okay, this logo it will be smile. If your face is like sad, if the face is will be sad like that. And then if your face is or your expression is like shock like that, the emoji will change to shock. Okay, okay, and maybe so because here there is two project that I will show you, and here I will next to the next project. Okay, so I will delete it all, that all verse again. Here you go to teachable, teachable, like that. You copy it because you have add the extension. You add, you go to this website, okay, and then you delete it until .com. Yes, and then you got get started. Image it, standard image model. Okay, I will so in here you are need two stuff. Okay, maybe mouse and charger. Okay, mouse, and here is the hardware webcam. Ah, make sure permission are enabled with image uploading. Oh, it's not working because this one I think. Okay, yeah, because this one. Wait, try to delete it. Yes. Okay, it mean is you upload your image. Okay, upload your image is here, and then if you have upload all of the image about the mouse, you go to the charger, add a image about the charger. You just click like this. Oh, that's can be okay. Click this one and wait. So how to record this? How to record? Done. And then we go to charger. Okay. I will done, guys. You click train mode, training. Wait. Right, guys. Training. Okay. Okay. Then switch step. Now, in here, you can check like this. Now, you go to here and this one. Okay, I will repeat it. And working webcam again. Click this one. Remove all sample. Okay. And then I will record the mouse. How was it? Got mouse. Okay. Good. And then go to the charger. Done. If then you click train model, double motion. Okay. It's still training. Okay, done. Oh, wait, okay. Can. And then here. Nah, look at that. The how to say? I like that because this is the mouse. So here we'll detect the output is mouse. Charger. Nah. Okay. And then here charger. It's working 100%. Huh. So wait, you go to export model. Upload to my model. Wait, loading. Okay, because I haven't showed the tutorial about this project, so you just click play and wait. Hmm. Wait, guys. Nah, she smile. Look at it, the image. This smile, and if your face is flat, I smile again, and I shock how to. Oh, get that. Okay, select that. Just play and you can smile by yourself. Okay, go to event. When green click it. Okay, wait. When green click it, and then go to first click first detect on. Okay, Stable motion. Oh, sorry guys. That okay, that's true. Stable motion. Okay, here you copy this one and then you paste to here. So okay, done. Then do when eh, okay, because here there is mouse, we change to mouse. Okay, wait. Okay, and then when prediction is mouse, eh, wait, mouse and duplicate, change to charger. Ah, you go to looks, you take switch backdrop. Okay, nah, okay, you go to switch backdrop. Nah, here you add text. Uh, mo mouse. Because I don't have uh, mouse PNG, so I will just add the text and then here change to charger. Nah, what? But yes, okay. Okay, choose a backdrop. I think this can 630. Okay. Ah, it mean is mouse, guys. Mouse. Okay, and delete. Choose backdrop again. Eh, wait. Here I will take. Eh, okay. Choose backdrop. What is that? Ah, this one. Now look at that. This is a charger. The charger, and this is the mouse. Nah, blue when prediction is mouse, change to mouse. Charger. Okay, done. Okay, you can click glue. Go. Wait. No. Okay. Forget yes. So turn off this one. Input. Turn on. Turn off. Sorry. Turn off and then click this one. Okay. So here, this is the charger, and this is the mouse. Oh. Okay, just like that, guys. Thank you for listening my tutorial, my simple tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.